guys, now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow.
With this feeling I'm working and
Awesome.
will you dare
Yo. What's up? Chef MD right here. Alright guys, today I'll be doing something different for y'all, right? Today I'll be showing you how I prepare this very delicious baked salmon, served with baked potato and stir-fried veg, full course meal. So just stick around now, I will show you right after the break. Welcome back guys. As you can see from my thumbnail, today I'll be preparing a very delicious baked salmon served with baked potato and stir-fried veg. So right here I have 2.5 pounds of salmon, right? Look at it. Ain't this beautiful? Nice. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting up my salmon, right? So I'm just gonna slice it sideways like this, right? Boy, got my knife on sharp, my guys. Knife now, let me adjust this right here. It's a nice sized piece of salmon, it's big. It's a huge piece of salmon, guys. As you can see right here, almost full of the baking tin, right? Alright. So I'm just gonna get this out of the way. Alright, so I'm just gonna start with the seasoning process, right? First I'm gonna start by adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon turmeric. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of dill. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of paprika. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Just gonna rub again. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. And we're gonna go ahead and mix it all together again, right? And guys, this is smelling very lovely. Very lovely. You can just imagine how this all tastes, trust me. The garlic, the ginger, the herbs, everything just married in the salmon. Everything just married together, right? Awesome. Alright, so I'm just gonna flip it on the back, right? And guys, I already went ahead and set my oven to preheat at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, right? This is gonna be good. Trust me, this is gonna be delicious. Wow. Look at it. Alright guys, and for my baked potato, I'm actually using the baby potatoes, as you can see right here, right? I already went ahead off camera and wash it in some baking soda to cut that dirt and everything off it, right? Because we're gonna eat it in the skin same way, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add half teaspoon of garlic salt, right? So I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over, right? Also gonna add roughly about 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm just gonna leave it in the pan, in the baking pan, because when you push it in the oven, the butter is gonna melt, right? What you're gonna do, you're gonna keep tossing them around with a spoon, right? Or you can use a spatula and just toss them around until the butter married the potato, right? And the garlic, salt, and everything just blend. Okay? Alright guys. Now that my oven is preheated, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and place my salmon and my potato in the oven. And guys, for my salmon, right, I'm just gonna let it bake for 20 minutes. And for my potato, I'm just gonna give it half an hour, right? Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a look at my potatoes. Look at the salmon, guys. Ain't this look beautiful? Whoa, you wanna smell it? Oh my word. Alright, so I'm just gonna toss around the potato in the butter, right? Just to flavor the potato. Make sure say potato marry the butter, right? Alright. Toss them. And you're just gonna continue to do that until the potato is fully baked. Right? Oh look. Gorgeous, right? Magnificent. Alright, so I'm just gonna push it in back now. Let it go and bake again. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start preparing my stir fry veg. As you can see right here, I have 1 large carrot that I sliced, right? You can cut the carrot any way you want. Also I have a medium green bell pepper, a medium red bell pepper. I have 4 cloves of garlic that I finally chopped right here, right? I have my broccoli, and I have my cauliflower, and I also have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of parsley flake, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So let's get started. Alright guys, I already went ahead and placed my wok to hot, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and add roughly about a tablespoon of butter. And guys, remember not to turn your stove up too much, right? Because you don't want your butter to burn. I have mine on medium high, right? I'm just helping the butter to melt faster by shaking it around, right? Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. Guys, you should be smelling this aroma in the kitchen right now. Right? The butter and the garlic is just magnificent. Trust me. Awesome. Alright, so I'm just gonna allow this to get a little bit golden before I add the vegetable. Alright, you can see it get golden, guys. Look at it. You see it change color? Alright, this is the color that I'm looking for, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my bell pepper and carrot. Also my cauliflower. Also my broccoli. I'm just gonna toss it around a bit. And guys, the garlic and the butter is just marvelous. Wow. I love smelling the garlic and the butter, guys. I love smelling it. Trust me, it's awesome. Wow, this is just magnificent, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my brown sugar. Also my parsley flakes. Also my salt. I'm just gonna stir it again. And I'm gonna give it about a minute to steam and then turn it off. Because you don't want your vegetables to steam too soft, right? You want it to remain crispy and crunchy and nice, right? Wow, this is magnificent. This smells so good. Trust me. Alright guys, so after a minute, this is what the vegetable is looking like now, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn my stove off because I don't want to steam this vegetable too much, right? Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take my salmon out of the oven. Right? How the salmon look, guys? Look at it. How it look? It's pretty, don't it? Wow. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and toss these potatoes again. Alright. Give it a couple more minutes and then take it out. So I will show you the finishing product right after this. So here I have the finishing product of my baked salmon, serve with baked potato and stir fry veg. How it look? Look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish I'll be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little taste test for y'all, right? And first I'm gonna start with this lovely salmon right here. Salmon is so soft and nice. Wow. So flavorful. Take a next bite. Hold on. Wow. The taste is unbelievable. The salmon is soft and buttery. Wow. You guys should be tasting this right now. It's off the chain, trust me. Wow, that salmon is nice. Salmon is nice, guys. Look at it. You see this? That look pretty to you. Ah, watch it now. I didn't do that for the dog. This bad. That one is sharp. That one is sell off. Alright. So I'm gonna have a potato now. Right? I'm gonna taste the potato. The potato, you can taste the garlic. You can taste the garlic sauce, and you can also taste the butter. The potato absorbs all the butter, right? So it's very flavorful. This is an awesome meal. You need to try this. Trust me. Vegetable now, guys. Vegetable. You hear the crunchiness? I don't know if you can hear the crunch. I'm gonna make you hear the crunch as well. Alright. It's a piece of cauliflower. Here now, guys. Here crunchy. Here, crunchy, nice. Magnificent. Wonderful. Let me take a piece more salmon before I go. I don't know what else to say to you guys. You need to try this for yourself. Trust me. Try this. Hit me up in the comment section and let me know what you think. Right? Here what? I'm gonna finish this off camera, so we catch up on next time, yeah? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Just hit that notification bell below to keep up to date with all the latest videos each and every week. So until then, take care. I'm out.